Apple Vision Pro headset puts digital landscape to the real world. Apple Vision Pro, a spatial computing headset that turns dreams into reality. Apple Vision Pro has become the talk of the town since its announcement at the annual WWDC event. It's an AR and VR headset that puts a digital landscape to the virtual world. Apple Vision Pro features. The Vision Pro allows users to interact with digital objects in a physical world, as it's designed to provide users an immersive AR experience. As the headset doesn't have any controllers, it will allow users a more natural and intuitive connection with the digital world using hand gestures and voice commands. Apple Vision Pro is powered by Apple's A16 chip, which is capable of containing and processing large amounts of data without any hindrance. The device, especially designed for AR and VR applications, is equipped with a range of sensors, including cameras, accelerometers, and gyroscopes. These sensors allow the headset to adjust the digital landscape according to the user's movement. Apple Vision Pro price. Apple Vision Pro, which hasn't hit the markets yet, costs $3,500. Despite of having very advanced and unrealistic features, the headset's cost has sparked frenzy in the tech market. However, Apple's top executive Mike Rockwell, who's charge of the product, tried to justify the price, arguing, "If you purchased a new state-of-the-art TV, surround sound system, powerful computer with multiple high-definition displays, high-end camera, and more, you still wouldn't have come close to what Vision Pro delivers." Apple also considered holding off announcing the price for months to avoid backlash and negative reporting. However, keeping in mind that the price would become an even larger target if it wasn't revealed, the company disclosed the price of Apple Vision Pro at the WWDC 2023 event.